You can fix a garbage disposal yourself 90% of the time. When your garbage disposal isn't working, here's what you do. First, listen. If it doesn't sound like any power is going to the unit, hit the kill switch underneath. If it makes a loud click, you fixed it. But if it sounds like the motor is running, but you see it not turning, that means you have a jam. This is when you grab the key that came with your disposal. Put the key in this spot right at the bottom of your disposal, and then manually rotate that key until you've cleared the jam. If neither of those things work, then you probably should call a plumber. And if you're in the East Valley, hey, maybe call us.